I just moved and I have 2 days left until I leave for Japan, but these just arrived on my doorstep and I knew I needed to do a quick flip through for you. This is going to be super quick, not my usual flip throughs. I usually get extremely detailed, but listen, it's been busy, and if the lighting and sound is off, it's because I literally just set this up really quick to film. Oh my gosh, what a whirlwind. Anyway, I have some 𝘰𝘗 products for you. I have 2 classic sticker packs and 1 big sticker pack, but you can use any size in any planner, as I always say. I have some stencils for you. These are exciting, and I have a classic dotted line notebook. So let's just take a look real quick. First, I'm going to show you the stencils, and I'm probably going to be using this stuff for my National Planner Day spread, I think, but let's just take a look. So these are really cool because you know I love, ooh, we have a little dashboard in there too. You know I love the, whatchamacallit, oh my gosh, my brain. The checklist stencil from the Happy Planner. If you watch me, you know I love that. This is like a bookmark, but these are just like that, except they are different, you know? You can do scallop lines and little swirls and all sorts of stuff. They do have a checklist area down here. This one has some really teeny tiny little stencils. I love that. You can make little dots, little arrows, dashes. Here we have like a habit tracker area there, so you can do like your, you can kind of see it better on this side. You can do like your bullet journal spreads with these, or just use it in your regular planner. There's also a really like a line here, so lots of options for you here. I'm going to be using these a lot, I think, so those are exciting. And like I said, they come in a 3-pack. I will link everything in the description box. Always appreciate it when you use my links. It does help me out. I get a very small commission from your purchase. Let's check out the classic notebook. This is a Happy Notes notebook, and I love having these around just for all sorts of stuff. So, create something beautiful every day. I just gotta make sure I'm still in frame, and I am. Okay, cool. I feel so out of sorts in this new room. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take me a while to get everything right, but I wanted to get this out to you. So the first page, loving this wonderful crafty life with the heart, with the discs, bunch of discs for you here. And then, you know, 𝘰𝘗 is so fun with all of the craft supplies, and you have them all along the paper here. We have the dotted lines, craft a happy life. If you can't stand the mess, get out of the craft room. Mine's always messy. Right now it's really messy because nothing's unpacked. Okay, so this is the back. Plan, dream, craft, create, inspire, design. I love the little checks there. All right, like the cross stitch pattern. So we have 3 sticker books. I think 2 of these are going to be alike and 1 is going to be different. Let me just open them up for you to see. Because there's 2 classic ones. I didn't watch any spoilers because I don't like to. I like to be surprised. I think this is the one that's going to be different. It looks like, yeah. Okay. So, I mean, honestly, let's see. Okay. This page is like this. So this one is the classic sticker book, and this one is the big. If you're not familiar with Happy Planner, this is the 3rd time that 𝘰𝘗 has come around. I think the 3rd, or is it the 4th? I don't know. 𝘰𝘗 is all about crafts and planners and all sorts of fun stuff. I love it. So the first page, we have like gold foil accents on this one and this one, but these 2 pages are different from the different sticker books. I love those. It looks like snowflakes out of scissors. And that page is like the other one. So let's go. All right, it's going to be different. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you each one separately, because sometimes with the classic and the big, it really does sort of follow the same path. If you're new here, I promise you I'm not this absent-minded and crazy when I film videos. I promise you. But what I'm trying to say is sometimes they're sort of similar, so I'll do them together. But this one, I'm not sure. So we're just going to do them apart. Clear stickers here. Look at those. They're so cute. Clear. We have little cross stitching things there. We have Feeling Crafty. Start something wonderful. Double boxes. Crafting is always a good idea. This is on clear with lots of little illustrations. We have the boxes here for you. Look at those little pen zip thingies, you know, the things that, I don't know what they're called, the things that stand up. Pouches, I guess? Yeah. I like that these have lines on the boxes. They're gold lines. We have the planners in the middle. Super cute. You're going to get a lot of functional boxes, and then these boxes have the discs on them, and then some smaller ones to match the colors. We have some arched boxes here with the arch on the bottom. Maker's Gonna Make, Create a Crafty Life. I mean, Craft a Happy Life. Create a Crafty Life. Craft a Happy Life. Oh my goodness, my brain. So many projects. Happiness is a Warm Glue Gun. DIY all day. Live a Colorful Life. I love that one. That's so cute. To-do list strips here and some little washi strips in the middle. 2 pages of those. Forgive the sound upstairs. Allie's doing something. I don't know if you can hear that. I'd rather be sewing. I can't sew, so I'm not going to say that. So many projects. Live a Colorful Life. So cute. Craft a Happy Life. This one is on clear. Create something beautiful every day. Color me happy. I love the ribbon. Feeling Crafty. A lot of the same quotes on this page. Those are on clear. These are on clear. They say crafty meetup, craft date, time to craft, stuff like that. These are really cute. They're on clear, and they're little clear strips of like little cross stitch hearts. So fun. I love these little pom-pom banners. They're really cute. DIY all day. Make the things that make you smile. Measure twice, cut once. These are also on clear. Then we have some long boxes for the sidebar. Those are cute. She designed a life she loved. So on and so forth. Weekend plans. Lots of little bullet points there. And long sewing box stickers. You can always cut the sewing machine off if you don't sew. I probably will be doing that. 1 stitch at a time. Craft a Happy Life. The colors are really pretty. And these are your monthly boxes here, and then more boxes. So a lot of functional boxes in that one. And that is just called, I think they're just all called Miss Maker. Yeah, it's hard because they don't distinguish between the 2 classic size ones. They're both called Miss Maker. Happy Planner, what are you doing to me? One is 668, one is 718. Let's look at the second one. Buttons everywhere. Lots of clear sticker buttons. And yarn. Is that one page? Yeah. Ooh, look at the paintbrushes. They have silver foil on them. Really cute. Some paints. These are on paper. We have lots of pencils here. Colored pencils. I love that. A lot of discs. I'll probably be using that in my National Planner Day spread. And more of these cross-stitch things. Craft a Happy Life. Stay true to you. Make all the things. Start each day with a smile. These say to make important crafty ideas today. Don't forget. Love this. Made with love. Remember. These are really cute. I love the paint like coming across. Make all the pretty things. I can totally make that. The craft room is calling. These say crafty plans and supply shopping. And then another page without the foil. Lots of thread here. Weekend crafting, or is that yarn? I don't know. Something like that. We have those really pretty pens there with the ink. some little measuring tapes, some fancy scissors, and some pin cushions with silver foil pins. Those are fun. Made with love, they all say at the bottom here. Glue guns everywhere. These are on clear. Some yarn. Today, important to buy. Take note, remember to make. Love this. Spread kindness, just begin. Made with love. Creative spark. Best of the best. Embrace today. Those are really cute. And then we have a bunch of these on clear. More of these guys on paper. And this has gold foil, live a colorful life, color your world with kindness, color me happy. They all have color in them. That's fun. Make, do, create. Create what you love. Love this idea. Made with love, make things happen. I like the stripes on those. These are on clear. My next project, all the inspiration. Take note. Sketches and ideas, currently crafting, supplies needed. And lots of cute little icons, really cute. Look at this, crafter's rule, so cute. Today is the day. I love this. I love this one, it has yarn in the background, that's fun. Then we have squares for you with gold foil. Really cute. We have one more sticker book to show you. Let's see. So this one is probably going to be like one of the other ones, so we're going to go kind of quick. DIY projects, crafty ideas. Those are cute. These are on clear, lots of those illustrations. This is kind of different. I didn't see these in the other book. These are on clear. Ooh, I like these a lot. These have little gold foil accents on them, like polka dots or little gold foil stripes. And then we have the hearts on the strip stickers. Ready to plan. Happy planner stickers, discs, pens, highlighters, sticky notes, washi tape. That's cute. This is definitely different. Okay. Color me happy, crafty plans, create what you love. These are on clear. Craft a happy life. Maker's gonna make. Look, little happy planner sticker packs. Cute. These are on clear. Stripey boxes, a double boxes for you there. Look, the discs are strung along the top, really cute. Live a colorful life, lots of markers there. Feeling punchy, feeling crafty. Crafting is always a good idea, born to create. More of these guys on clear. So you get one with gold foil and one without. Lots of discs in these, that's fun. I love these ones. They have little gold foil polka dots on them. Really cute. And a lot of discs for you. Creativity is contagious. Maker's gonna make. DIY all day. So on and so forth. And then we have monthly boxes. These say this and that. Make it all. The plan to DIY next. Make today. Make later. Craft time. More ideas. Blah, blah, blah. More stuff. Okay, so this page looks like in the other sticker book. That's on clear. I like these check marks. I'm a DIY kind of girl. Me too, happy planner. Go away, I'm procrastinating. I've never heard that before. That's so funny. Procrastinating. Love it. Sticker lover. DIY all day, art supply shopping, big sale, feeling so crafty. Love this idea. Ready to plan. Boxes, some little planners at the bottom. More of that. The craft room is calling. So some repeats in this one, but it is definitely different than the other two. It doesn't have the same exact stickers. It has some other ones the other ones don't have, I think. So that's a really cute little collection. Definitely check that out. There are other products in this collection as well that I did not receive, but I love everything I got. So thank you, Happy Planner. Oh, look, Bumble found her ball. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.